Hello, dear old friend. We are Foshan Anze Medical. This video we will introduce how to use this mobile dental card. First, let me show you the night. The night with sensor. No touching. You can turn on, turn off. Here has two buttons. This button you can change the mode. You can see only white color together, white and yellow together. This button you can change the illumination, make it stronger or weak. The light you can change it from different angle. Also the light arm you can change it and fix it. Different angle for you, so you no need to move your patient. Now let me introduce these tools for you. Before using, you need to make sure the clean water bottle full of distilled water at the set part. There is this button. The first one adjusts the water, this one adjusts the air, and this white button adjusts the ultrasonic scaler, the power of ultrasonic scaler. This is a water bottle switch. You need when you use it, make sure it's like this way, so it's turn on. At the bottom part, there is a 3 metal button. It also adjusts the water and the air. And about the tools, we need to use with foot pedal. So let me put out on the floor. Let me show you how we use it. The first one is a suction. When we take it from the cart, it will be work. You can see it's a strong and fast suction. This is a curing knife. Just press this button. Very easy to use. This one is a 3-way syringe. The red button is air. Left button is water. Press the two buttons together. Luminization. High-speed handpiece. We equip with LED light. It need to use with foot pedal. So when we press the foot pedal, you can see how the handpiece works with the water spray and the LED light. When our compressor pressure less than 0.5 bar, the compressor will start work. You can hear the voice. This is low-speed handpiece. Low-speed handpiece also need to press the foot pedal. You can see the water spray. It's an internal water spray. This is ultrasonic scaler. Ultrasonic scaler, you can adjust the power. The white button, you adjust the power of ultrasonic scaler. Press the foot pedal. You can see the water and the LED light. We are Foshan Anze Medical. We accept custom design. Make your own design and brand. Welcome to inquiry.